I think the first impression that I have is from coming from the Western world and seeing China in the media is it's much more different. It's more, the people are very kind, very pleasant, an amazing country.
It's a beautiful country, the people are very nice, and the history and culture that you preserve here is just amazing.
China has been wonderful. People have been lovely, the scenery has been great, the architecture has been fascinating, the culture has been great. It's been a wonderful time. The Raptor Lite series of direct view LED has been the most impressive and something I see the most growth in.
The MTR product line, like I said, I've been a big fan of the W70 bar since it came out.
The robots are just amazing.
What impressed me the most is the breadth of product that MAXHUB has to offer. MAXHUB isn't just a display company, it's not just a camera company or a conferencing and collaboration company. They're the products and services that MAXHUB has to offer, not only to the domestic products that MAXHUB is bringing to the United States, but the global products and solutions that MAXHUB has to offer, showcases what CBTE Group's innovation.
What ways we can partner with MAXHUB to help our customers and succeed in projects and completion on projects. It's been amazing.
And our business has only been growing, and after seeing the experience and the innovation that CBTE Group has to offer and what they're doing with the MAXHUB global brand, I can only see our business growing.
It's all been positive. They've made selling the product very easy with training and support. There's always somebody there you're very accessible, very easy to reach out to whenever I need help or information.
And it's been extremely positive. Again, big part of being successful in business is selecting the right partners. And MAXHUB has proven to be the right partner. And there are so many things in my mind that are positive about this experience. I'm also impressed with the care and the competence of the Chinese people. You take great pride in your culture, you take great pride in your country.
Is really the hospitality of everyone that we've come across, both within CBTE Group and within the country. The level of hospitality that we've received has been phenomenal. It's been outstanding.